Okay, 2.8 is first. If you read it, it says you got the arrow pointing up / pencil pointing down. Okay. For 2.1, when we saw that, there was one part that was online and one part that was written out, right? In this case, the question is different. So it's not saying do both. The question is, if the argument is valid, write it out. This is the pencil part. Write it out with an informal proof showing that it's valid. Okay. Or on the other side, if the argument is invalid, show it's invalid by creating a world. It's one or the other. It cannot be both by definition. I'll talk about that later. But just at this point, the arrow up / pencil down is actually one or the other, not both. So here we go. Okay, so 2.8, what I'm going to do up here is just, for your sake, it's not actually part of the homework that you'll be turning in. For your sake, I'm just going to write down the structure of the argument here, and then we'll ask the question, is it valid or not? So, Al-Kai, give me, I might screw up your names, give me a break. So, Al-Kai, first one, what does it say? 2.8.
Large A.
Yeah, A is large. And then the second one says, Kyle?
A is larger than C.
A is larger than C. Okay, stop right there before we get any further. If A is large and A is larger than C, what are my options for C?
Small or medium.
Medium or small, right? So from these two pieces of information, all I know is that if A is larger than C and A is large, then C could be either, again, medium or small. So Aaron, what's the conclusion?
C is small.
C is small. So the question I'm asking is this argument valid? What's the definition of validity, Aaron? Oh no, Stephanie. Read off the definition, the first
It is
one.
possible for the premises to be...
Validity, it is...
Oh, sorry. If assuming the premises are true,
Then?
the conclusion must be true.
Must be true, right? So I assume 1 and 2 are true. So just look at 1 and 2 again. A is large and A is larger than C. What are my possibilities for C again?
Medium or small.
Stephanie, okay, good. So, Shari, am I forced to the conclusion that C is small? Yes? Okay, once again, A is large and A is larger than C. What are my options just looking at 1 and 2 for C? C could be either, if A is large and A is larger than C, C could be either small or, so am I forced to the conclusion that C has to be small?
No.
No, because C could also be, Brian? Medium.